Welcome to our During the SSC meeting. Again, your agenda has already been generated to all of your SSC members with the information that they need to be prepared to discuss. Prior to the meeting, the information has already been input in your SSC implementation checklist by the grade levels that was on your P drive, and now during the meeting, this information should be printed and available to all SSC members prior to the meeting. This is a completed form of an SSC 5-step process implementation checklist. As you can see in step 1, it looks like kindergarten in literacy. Their data collection is on CAP. In math, it's DMA number 1, 3, 4, and 8. Let's look at third grade for their data collection. It looks like in literacy, their data point is passage and questions on inferring and sequencing. And in math is NSA number 2 and 4. Step 2, all grade levels should complete whatever process they're in with this step. For instance, in kindergarten, it looks like they do have their quarterly assessment documented, 74%. It looks like they have a short cycle post-assessment coming up on February 12th. That information is waiting because they have done a short cycle assessment, which is 33%, and they are waiting on their post. Whatever status the grade levels are in, they should be in one data point, either doing a quarterly or short cycle pre or post. They should also indicate their learning target. In step 3, grade levels should explicitly communicate what is the instructional strategy that they are utilizing in literacy and math. It looks like here at this building in first grade in literacy, teachers will now be using an anchor chart and checklist, and they are modeling how to use the checklist in complex sentences and topic sentences. So again, in each grade level, communicating explicitly what instructional strategy that they are expected to do throughout the grade level. Step 4 communicates the look-fors of when that's going to be done. And each grade level will communicate that based on if they're on that particular step. Again, this is a model of one of our buildings. It communicates when they're going to be doing it, what is the teacher doing, and what is the student doing. And this is in step 4. Step 5 is a crucial piece that talks about either you're on your post-assessment, you're talking about what trends that you see throughout your building. Also, what information that needs to be discussed at your next SSC meeting. And I like what this building has done here, where it says the due date. It's very important that grade levels understand what is the due date. So this is a completed form of the SSC minutes that a building has on their P drive, and it's ready when the SSC meeting takes place, and teachers have this information on hand before the meeting. I do have another form that I want to share with you. This is another building's form. They have set up this form so that their grade levels are prepared to share at the SSC meeting. It is a standard reporting, so each grade level will report on. Let's look here at kindergarten. It looks like the assessment that kindergarten is using is ELBA. It talks about the literacy piece, their pre-assessment ELBA, how many students, if that's the level that they're on. The instructional strategy they are utilizing in detail, and they have added a component, the TBT to BLT communication. So they want an opportunity for TBTs to communicate to BLT and for the BLT to communicate back to the TBT. They have this information both for literacy and math, and then the principal or designee takes this information and imports it on the appropriate state reporting form. These are just great examples. Please take some time with your SSC to review this, to do a crosswalk of the work that you're doing and the work that we have noted here, and make revisions as necessary. Thank you.